Alright, that is enough shut-eye. Um, what do I do next? That's still going. What's the next plan here? Let's see how these look. You know, I like having the flexibility to do simple things like that. You know, nothing big, but just add simple windows. But guess what I need more of? Freaking wood. Okay. There's a couple things I need to make. Such as... Don't need that right now. Oh, come on with the string. I'm still with more windows. I'll gather that in a minute. How did I place you out here? Okay, I can pick it up. Great. Wait, does that mean I can pick you up if I have nothing in my hand? I don't want to cook. I want you to go away. Need some plant fiber. Okay. That's enough plant fiber for at least one chest. Okay, shift click does work. Fantastic. Can I make armor? Am I just... Once again, the string does me dirty. String does me real dirty. I got a pair of pants. They're all torn up. But I got a pair of pants. Whatever, I have to break stuff over here to get more cloth. We'll find out. Yes, I do. The things that... These things. Okay. Oh, give string too? What about you? What about pickaxe? Oh, breaking dirt. Mine terrain for the first time. Fantastic. Got some water. So I gotta find more of those clothy looking bags. What about that? Oh, I can sleep in that. Ooh, food. Just bones for all that metal clinking. I didn't even know I hit that. That's not terrifying. Oh, look. More arrows. No bow. Can I cut down the tent? Oh, I missed the paper. Captain Arkwright? Lord. Got some armor? Anything? I can't cut down the tent. That would be a lot of cloth. Gimme. 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 No! Get up. Ooh, I got metal scrap. Some plant fiber. Cloth. So I can cut you down. Give me. Oh, the cloth. So can I make a lockpick now? I can. Let's go see what that douche nozzle over here was guarding. Ooh, string. Bring it on, coward. Buddy, why are you down here? All that for a bandage? Ooh, that does me dirty. Oh, come on. I got some useless armor. And I'm pretty sure I got enough stuff to make another chest. Oh, no. I did not mean to do that. Now I got food poisoning. Alright. Travel through the shroud. Let me move my sword to 1. But we're going to go through the shroud. Can I climb that? Are rocks like this climbable? They look like they would be. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, flintstone. Not what I thought it was gonna. It looked like metal. Those look like, what are those, grapple hook points? Ah. Why? What did I need for grapple hook? Of course it won't just tell me. Oh boy. Another tent. Never mind, plant fiber. Raiders besieged. We are prepared. Alright. Ooh, health potions. Okay, let's break these tents down. Okay, let's go see what I need to make a grappling hook. Because I highly doubt I got the material. What's up? Oh. Glider and a grappling hook is like what I'm seeming to need right now. Need shroudwood, so, but I need, oh, 4 metal scrap. That might be a problem. Short. Oh, come on. My string. And I'm out of string. I need shroud spores. I only have 6. But I heard some grumbling over here. Metal scraps, plant fiber, shroud, spores, strings, that stuff. Don't give him room to breathe. Gimme. Can I break you? Owie. You guys give shroud spores? No, of course not. Why would you give me what I need? Oh, thanks for the wand. I got metal scrap. I'm getting string. What is scrap? Oh, I looted that. Okay. Right. Did I get enough shroud spores? I think I got enough shroud spores to make the grappling hook. Ooh. Give it. I have the grappling hook. Do I not have my pants equipped? Nope, I did not. Alright, food's done. Let's go to the grappling hook. Ooh! Oh, yeah. More arrows. That I can't use. Good thing I got an extra sword. Alright. I see a lot of explosives. Bees, don't start this. Level 3 bees! Get rid of that. Yeah, let me search this before I throw something at it. More bandages? Alright. More explosives? Alright. Well, I guess it's time to see what happens. There are a lot of beehives. Ooh, even more explosives. And... oh. That was very uneventful. Treasure. Oh, I finally get a bow. Let's move that. Alright. Not gonna question, I got a string. Ooh, more string. Let's grab everything. Alright. Wave markers pointing me. Oh my god. Oh no. Please. It was an accident. Oh, please don't stop. I am not ready for here. down to the shroud then. That's all shroud. How do I get down there? Something with the bridge? Okay. Oh, did I not have to go through the shroud? Not yet, anyway. Thank you for the stiff. Woo! Is that a... Oh, you are not nice. Hey, you wanna move? These guys do a lot of damage. No way you shot me. You know what? You better hope I can't get up. I don't find a way up there. That arrow shot was complete. No, please. Yeah, what you gonna do now? Yeah. What now? What now? Shooting me like that. That was just straight wrong. I don't think you could do someone that dirty. Why does everything do so much damage? It's a lot like Dark Souls and Elden Ring BS. Ooh. Ooh. Can I stab him? It didn't work. Okay. Balthazar again. Ooh, I like that. Just anvils at points of interest to repair your stuff. Yeah, that's real nice. Give me that plant fiber. Explosives. Can I break these or water? Drink some water. Get some more stamina. Why does it sound like I got bees coming for me? Because I do. Ah! Get out of here. Okay, we've got another Balthazar. More treasure, which is explosive. And these things. Water and cloth. Just want to make sure that was it. Oh no. Okay, fall damage does exist. Should have figured because I have a glider. That was creepy. Pew! Pew, pew, pew. Yeah, get that. Take that. The Vault of the Blacksmith. Balthazar. Okay. Oswald Anders. And I got a summoning staff. Can I break this? I can. It does nothing. Ooh. I wasn't looking at the armor. I gotta go home and make the summoning staff. Is there? There is fast travel. Take me home. You know? Oh, I was gonna say, I could probably craft that. And then I see the spark, and I'm like, and that died quickly. Don't have Shroud Core yet. That's cool. Oh, I got bigger crates. Okay. How do I make the summoning staff? That may... Oh, it's just a tweak? Give me... Ooh. Place that wand. Okay, there we go. Right there.
Hey!
Hey! Okay.
What needs fixing?
Took you long enough to find me. Look at you, weak and bitty. And they call you flamboyant? First thing you need is equipment. Lucky you woke me up first, crafting a scrappy sword? Alright. Oh boy. How do I make charcoal? Oh. Ooh, gimme. I need nails. Do it. I need all 10 of my metal scrap for the forge. Okay. Seek out more survivors. Got it. Okay, I need another string to craft big man a bed. I'm making you a bed, chill. You know, I'm working on it. There you go. You have a bed. You done? Can I break this now? I got tar. And I'm pretty sure I don't have any more metal scrap. I have one. Okay, I guess I had an extra pair of pants. Will you shut up? I'm working on it. You are expensive. You want me to make all of this stuff. But I need that. So I need stone. No! Bees! How much stone do I get? 29. I got enough. Ooh! Ooh. Oswald, where'd you go? Thank you.
Fight fire with fire.
You hush. The front. Switch between recipes you have unlocked for this factory here. Okay. Dirt and logs. I got both. What do I gotta? Oh no, I don't wanna. Yeah, let's do 28. You can have all the dirt. Got 5 minutes. Where'd you go? And to make 30 stone, 10 charcoal, and all my metal scrap. Love it.
Get back out.
Shut up. You are a greedy old man. Taking all of the man's stone. Nope. Why is the rock just going under? Forget it. Every time I'm trying to just dig or hit a rock, I keep digging. I'm trying to dig. So what do I need to make that new sword? Sir? No. No. Okay, to make the new sword. Oh, I need metal scrap for that. Okay. Why do I get metal scrap? Why do you do this? Did I miss something? Just did a hair of research to find out where to get metal scrap. Come to find out, that camp that I got the blacksmith in, if I break those urns, I get a bunch apparently. So I've got to go back that way. Just jump. And I did not know this. So I'm going back to where I got the blacksmith. Wait, can I break that? Because that looks metal. Perfect. More metal scrap. Exactly what I was needing. Why are you directing me back here? Are you telling me where to get metal scraps? So did I just completely ignore the... Ooh, can I loot that? No. So apparently these things. walk over here to repair the stinking pickaxe. Good thing this is here. Probably why it's here. And I'm just oblivious. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm going to need a lot of better tools and get some armor. But of course, I need string for the armor. And that is like a humongous pain currently. 3 metal scrap for that urn. And there's a lot of them in here. Why does that look like a secret door? Because it is. Treasure! Now, hang on a minute. Oh, this works. Not that good. Okay, I have 16 metal scrap. I think that's enough for now. Oh, I could have just teleported back to the vault and mined those, probably. Give it. Where did you go, you fool? Okay.
Anything else?
I'll put this inside. No, I will not. Wait. Okay, it looked a lot bigger from the angle I had it. Okay. Okay, I don't need metal sheets currently. Good idea, Oswald.